Hi, and welcome to Bounty Hunters, previously known as ICO Reward. Bounty Hunters is a platform designed for influencer marketing. So if you're a bounty hunter who wants to contribute to promoting various projects, whether it's blockchain projects or just general marketing and PR, you can participate. You must have social media profiles on Facebook, Twitter, different forums. Also, if you know how to make content on YouTube, write blogs, make translations, this is for you. So the platform allows you to work anywhere and anytime. It's a software where you have to create a profile, and once you log into the system and you want to participate in the bounty marketing campaigns, you click on Our Bounties. So on this page, you will find the current bounties, which are the companies that are running on our platform at the moment. And then you will see the closed bounties. These are the companies that have already finished their bounty campaign, their marketing and PR campaign. So in each of these business cards, so to speak, you can see the company name, links to their social media. You can see how many days is left within the campaign. So for example, LevelNet started on the 4th of April and it will run until the 15th of June. So you have 27 days left until the campaign ends. And this is the amount of tokens which LevelNet has saved for further distribution after the bounty campaign ends. So you click on join and you will enter the pool of bounty activities and tasks that you can participate in. So it's quite simple. On the dashboard, you'll see the history tab. So now I'm on the history tab and it shows all the activities that you have done for LevelNet. So for example, custom campaign, blog post, I got 0 rewards. It was just a test run. You can see what status it's in, and you can check the date when you performed the action. So everything that you do on the platform will appear in the history tab under each particular campaign. If you go into Facebook, you can make Facebook bounties. Don't forget to read thoroughly and carefully all the rules for each task and channel. So in Facebook, you can create a new post, you click on the link, you fill out the information, you make a post, you click send, and you get the stakes automatically, as long as you follow the rules. The same goes for share post. You click on share post, the share material is automatically attached to it, you click send, and it goes into the system. You'll see the stakes in the history tab. Also, do not forget to like and follow the page of each project. That is a must. So next thing is Twitter. Twitter is quite similar to Facebook. If you want to make a post, you type your desired thoughts in here. Make sure you follow the rules again of Twitter campaign and you insert the necessary, for example, hashtags into your message. If you make a mistake, the system will show you an error message. You have to read the message and make the corrections, then submit again. So for sharing the tweet, you click on share tweet. It opens the actual tweet that you have to share. You scroll down, you click on the share button, which is also called retweet. You can make a comment here if you want. Make sure that you write, relevant information there, and you click retweet. Once that is done, you go back to the page of Bounty Hunters and you click confirm sharing. So tweets are added sometimes every day, sometimes a couple of times a week. Depends on how much new material and news the company has. Every time they have a new tweet, they'll post it in the system. So as you see, this company has many tweets and I haven't shared them yet, so you can share all of them. what happens when you go into custom activities? Under custom channel, you have different bounties which have to be checked manually by the manager. So, for example, if you're writing a blog post, also make sure you read all the rules and regulations. You post the link to your blog or to your article right here. So you post the link. You mention what your name is on YouTube or blog channel, and you can write a short message explaining what you did. For example, I wrote a blog about LevelNet and how great the service is, and I posted it on Medium or Steemit or various other sources. Then you click complete. After you click complete, it takes up to 1 week usually for the manager to check your activity and give you the stakes, which will later also appear in the history tab. What else can you do in custom? So let's go back to the main page, our bounties, and check the custom channel for a different project. This project is called Liquinet. So Liquinet also has custom channel where you can send us the link to the blog that you wrote, to the article. You can also make a video post for this company. So when you make a YouTube video, you post the link here, you click complete, we verify that it's done correctly, and you get the stakes. Also, this company has Telegram bounty. So for Telegram, this is really important, so listen carefully. Every time you perform a comment in the Telegram chat that you've joined, for example, I'm in the Liquinet Telegram chat. So I join the channel, I get stakes for that automatically. And as soon as I write the message, I can right-click on this message, copy post link, one moment, and then I can insert this link into the Telegram custom activity. So here's the link to the contribution. When I send this link and I click complete, the manager will check that you made the comment and issue the stakes. So guys, that's quite simple. If you have any questions, you can always reach us in our Telegram chat or shoot us an email. Also, please take your time to read about the project and what exactly it's meant to do. All the information is on our brand new website. So I wish you guys all good luck, and let's help other companies to build good reputation. Have a nice day.